children. Today we are going to do some activity from textbook. Okay, I request all of you to open your textbook, page number 17. Page number 17. See, first activity, put a tick in the box if the statement is true and a into mark in the statement is false. See, we have to tick. Some statements are given there. 4 statements are there. Which is correct, we have to tick for it. Which is wrong, we have to mark it. Wrong mark. Okay. See, first one. Gulgul has drawn a moon in her summer picture. Gulgul has drawn a moon in her summer picture. See her summer picture. See, here it is there, right? It is summer picture which she had drawn. See, did she draw a moon in summer picture? What is there? Sun or moon? Sun or moon? What is that? Sun is there, right? She had drawn a sun in summer picture, not moon, right? So, this statement, first statement is wrong. Put into mark there. That is wrong. Okay. Gulgul has drawn a moon in her summer picture. That statement is wrong. So, we can put wrong there. Into mark we can put there. Okay. What she had drawn? She had drawn a sun in her summer picture. Right. And in second statement, what is that? The ice cream one is green in color. See. Is this one green in color or white in color? Which color it is? One is in white color, right? Not in blue color. Right. Which color it is? White color, right? See, the ice cream one is green in color. Here in this statement, what they are telling? See, it is this ice cream one is green in color. Is it in green color? No, it is in white color. So, the second statement also wrong. So, we have to put into mark in the box. First and second statement also wrong. Right. Next. The snowman has a red craft around its shoulder. A snowman. In which picture is in which season picture is there? Snowman. In which season? In winter season, right? See, in winter season picture, what is there? Snowman and Christmas tree is there, right? See, snowman has a red craft. Snowman has a red craft around his shoulder. Is it true? He has red craft or any other color? Blue craft? Red craft, right? You can see in the picture, snowman has a red craft in his shoulder. So, that statement, third statement is correct. We can put tick mark there in the box. Okay. Third statement is correct. We can put tick mark there. And next, winter is Gulgul's favorite season. Which is Gulgul's favorite season? See, in last line we can see what she told. I love all seasons. Gulgul loves all season, but winter is her favorite season. Which season is her favorite season? Winter. Winter season is her favorite season. Fourth statement also correct, right? We can put tick mark in the box. See, first and second statement, wrong statements are there, and third and fourth statements, correct statements are there. We can put tick mark there. Okay. See, one more activity we are going to do. How old is Gulgul? How old is Gulgul? And what is that? Answer these questions in one word. You have to write in one word. Okay. How old is Gulgul? In first paragraph it is there. How old is Gulgul? Say hello friends, my name is Gulgul. I am 6 years old. How old is Gulgul? 6 years. You can write there 6 years. Okay. Like the same, you have to fill these answers in 1 or 2 words. That is your homework, today's homework. See. Next, what is the second question? What tree does the window drawing have? In window drawing, which tree is there? Which tree she had drawn in window drawing? It is there. Answer is there in this paragraph. Read and write the answer. Okay. Next, what does Gulgul like to do? What does Gulgul like to do? See in first paragraph. First, it is given there. Hello friends, my name is Gulgul. I am 6 years old. I like to draw. These are my drawings. In this paragraph, what is there? Answer is there. What is the question? What does Gulgul like to do? And what are the children in the monsoon drawing wearing? In monsoon drawing, see in this picture, it is monsoon drawing, right? Here, page number 16, last picture is there, monsoon drawing, right? Okay, in this picture, which dress? What are the children in the monsoon drawing wearing? What they are wearing in the children in the monsoon drawing? What they are wearing? They are wearing colorful. What is that? You have to write. What is it? It is raining. They are outside. They are wearing one thing. What is that? You have to write the answer in one word. Okay. This is your today's homework. What is the homework? Answer this question in one word. That is the homework. Okay. Write it in one word and write neatly and send to me. And first activity, put the tick mark in the box. That also you have to fill it in textbook and of course in notebook, and question answers also you have to, these one word answers, that also you have to complete in your notebook. Then take a snap and send to me. Okay.